Hello everyone, my name is Zaim and recently I was working on a project prompt improver. What we do in this project is we feed it with a basic prompt like fixed data or summarize the article, and also a test data like let's suppose our prompt was fixed code. Our test data will contain a buggy code and an expected output. And in the optimization phase, what we do is we create different versions of the prompt, and in each version we see how our prompt failed, and then we improve on those failures in the next version. And how we evaluate is like for each prompt we compare the actual output with the expected output, and we keep on doing it. Let me demonstrate it now. So we have a basic prompt here, fix code, and then we create a project, and over here we create a synthetic test data, but later we can also upload CSV files for test data. It will contain a buggy code and also an expected output. We are using Gemini here to generate our synthetic data, and in the next step we will optimize it. So here is the generated code. So we have the input data here and also an expected output. Let's run the optimizer now. Let's run it 3 times, so we will check on 3 different versions. It might take a little bit time because it first gets the output um, from the prompt, and then evaluates it with the expected result, and then keeps on doing it for different versions. So here is the first version it generated. So this was our initial prompt, and this is the version second. So what it did, like initial version scored 63.8, but in the version 2 we scored 83.1%. And it also says like what was wrong with the original version and what it changed. So it removed the fixed code and added all these details. And also we have raw data here where we can check all the rational, fail count, pass count, and everything else. And now it's working on the third version. So in the third version we scored, the score remained almost same. It was 83.72, and over here it was 83.1. And what we changed in our third version is like we made some basic changes, not too much, and now it's working on the last version. Okay, so in our last version we scored, how much did we score? We scored, let's see here, we scored and the scored we scored 87.2. That's much better. So 83.7, 87.2, like that's 4% higher. And this, like we can see the changes it made in the prompt over here. And also we have the raw data of all the versions. So this is version 4, this is rational, template, text, and also then we have matrices and everything.